Over 450 children and young people told us about the way they play, spend their free time, and take part in activities in school and their local area. Many children and young people find it difficult to do the things they want to do because of the cost of activities, the fact that there aren't always enough of them, and that they're sometimes difficult to get to. Children and young people wanted opportunities to spend free time and socialise in their communities, and to feel safe whilst doing so. Some children and young people don't always feel confident enough to take part in the activities that are available to them. One important message from this report is that all children have the right to have a say on decisions that affect them. We'll be asking all councils in Wales to work with children and young people across Wales to make sure that their needs are understood and met effectively. We'll also be using the information to think about the ways that organisations can help with the barriers facing many children and young people, including a lack of money and access to suitable transport, to make sure that more children and young people have the quality access to play and leisure time that they have a right to.